we're back with Jack. He's a little bit hyped up, so I have my neck set up a little bit higher. No. Oh, what a good boy. Yeah, but he's committing with that paw. Good boy he is. All right, let's just give him a little run through. Jack, heel. Oh, what a good boy. He's my good boy. He is my good boy. Heel. No. Jack. Heel. Good. Good. He kept holding it down until he got back in the right position. Heel. Good. No. No. So he saw something on the ground. No. Heel. Heel. Down. He saw something on the ground he was going to pick up, so I quickly moved my finger to the neck and went tap, tap. That's why I want you guys to practice with the collar when it's not on the dog. So you're kind of just getting in the habit of going back and forth. We don't want our finger to kind of freeze up on one button. You know, so when he started to pick up something off the ground, we don't want him to do that because we just had somebody that had Fiona, one of our dogs, swallowed a pork bone, grabbed it up real quick before she could do anything. Had to have an endoscopy. Anyway, so you don't want him picking up stuff off the ground. Down. Oh, what a good boy. Alright, let's just go up and back again. I'm going to walk by it again. If he tries to get it again, I'm just going to repeat the same thing. Jack, heel. Down. Alright, so we'll be right back. We're going to do a little bit of the retrieving with Jack.